Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to fix Facebook dating not showing up. And in order for us to do that, we are going to launch our Google account and then we are going to search for Facebook dating requirements. And we're going to scroll just a little bit and tap on this website, and it's going to direct us to this Facebook Help Center. And as you can see, we have the list of countries and also what we must have in order to access Facebook dating, like be at least 18 years old, have a Facebook account in good standing that is at least 30 days old, and live in a country where dating is available. Another thing is that here are the countries the Facebook dating is available, like Argentina, Austria, and Belgium, and the list goes on. But in the case that you are in these countries and you cannot find a Facebook dating, all you have to do is to launch our Facebook application, and then we're going to tap on our profile, which is below the messenger icon here at the top, and then it's going to be located here at the menu. And if it's not located here, all we have to do is to tap on settings and privacy, then settings, and then we're going to tap on navigation bar, which is just below the notifications. Then we're going to tap on customize the bar, then it's going to be here. And if we do find it, we're going to tap here at the right, and then we're going to tap on ping in your navigation bar. And in case that hasn't showed you the Facebook dating, all you may have to do is to try uninstalling and reinstalling our Facebook application. And thank you guys for watching this video. I do hope that it did help, and I'll see you guys on the next video.